Hi everybody. I hope you are having a fantastic day today. It is going to be 76 degrees in Michigan and I am excited about that. I am working on next week's blocks, but we've had a lot of people join in recent weeks when we had the last sign up, and I know some of you are struggling with your colors, so I thought I would go, or your color placement. So I thought I would go over the fabric placement sheets that are in the patterns and see if I can make it a little bit more clear for everybody. So I'm going to be looking at blocks 92, 93, and 94 from week 14, which was last week's. Now, your block, the pattern page that you get, the block is shown the way it's going to look when you have it finished, if you're looking at it. When you go to the placement page, if the block is symmetrical, it won't make a difference. But in the case of block 92, if I hold that next to the fabric placement guide, you can see that it's reversed. And I'm giving you a mirror image so that you can take your foundation pattern, lay it down next to this mirrored image, and you can mark on your sheets. You can see this one was blue, it would be blue here. It would be red here. It would be yellow, red, blue. But when you get your block sewn and you look at it and you look at the right side, it's going to go back to looking like you see it on the pattern page. Now, if we take a look at 93, you'll see the same thing. If I hold the two together, you can see that it's flipped. And they call that a mirror image again. And if you look closer here, you can see how what I've done for you to place your colors matches exactly the printed side of your foundation. So you can go ahead and you're going to have blue here, and you're going to have blue, 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 and blue. Now, block 94, on the other hand, is a symmetrical block. It will not make a difference. I can flip this baby, mirror image it as many times as I want, and it's still going to look exactly the same as what's on your printed pattern. So on that one, I provide it to you anyway, because if you're working with the fabric placement, just, you can just go ahead and do all of your blocks. Now, in some of the early weeks before I started doing this, a trick you can use for even another foundation pattern is if you have an illustration of the block, flip it over. Hold it up to a light. I don't know if I can do this. Light sources. This is not the best to show you. I hope you can see this. I should have used one that was a mirror image. Just a minute. Back up. Okay. You're going to use your pattern page. You're going to flip it over. And then as you look through the paper, that is going to match your foundation. And you can mark your colors that way. So either use the fabric placement pages, flip the original over and look through it, and you're going to get the same effect. I hope this has helped everybody, and I cannot wait to get you next week's blocks. Happy stitches!